As Truman eases out of adolescence, he's returning back to his cute, cuddly self. Hey, bud. Whoa. 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 Is your wings? Ooh, wow, look at those wings. Whoa. Whoop. Whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing? Mm-hmm. What you doing? Ooh, you're getting all frizzly, huh? Hi. Right there. Whoop. What are you doing? Come here. Whoop. Whoa. Hi. Whoa. Hey. Whoa, Truman. That's a good boy, Truman. When Truman was going through his adolescent stage for the last year or two, he's been very skittish and hand shy and just kind of wanting to go about and do his own thing, and really didn't want to cooperate with anything that wanted to do despite training. I mean, he wasn't as bad as things could have been if I didn't do the training with him, but it's definitely tough to manage. But lately, as he's been easing out of that adolescent stage, he's just been returning to that kind of baby state that he was in. And that's mostly thanks to the fact that I've been training him and using my continued approach on him. See, if I didn't continue training him, this is what happens with a lot of my clients' birds, is that they revert to stay, or rather they don't revert, they stay that way. They stay in that skittish, aggressive, or, you know, unfriendly way. So by continuing to use the training methods and a taming-based approach, you can ensure that the bird remains tame even after you can ensure that the bird remains tame after it eases out of adolescence. As Truman was going through adolescence, he was going through screaming fits, flying fits, just a lot of stuff like that going on. He never turned aggressive, but he was skittish and noisy, and now that he's been easing out of adolescence, those problems are going away. And with the continued training, he's staying very tame, and we're having a great time. And I think that things will stay this way. Because with Keely, similar stuff happened. She went through adolescence, and after she got out of it, except for some hormonal seasons here and there, she's stayed very, very much the same the rest of the time since. So check out my approach, the Parrot Wizard's Guide to Well-Behaved Parrots, so that you can tame and train your parrot to be this cuddly and friendly, and to help you get through an adolescent stage with a young bird, or to tame an older bird. The approach is the same and unified, and it'll teach you to be able to have your bird step up, be able to roll your bird on its back, be able to grab it and hold it for grooming or any other restraint that's necessary, and have an overall just fantastic relationship. Whoa, Truman! So check it out, Parrot Wizard's Guide to Well-Behaved Parrots, and enjoy my blog, thetrainedparrot.com. Thanks for watching. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.